Третий класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание. Теперь я знаю. Страница 37, 38, 39. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. Now I know. Page number 37, 38, 39. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you. You look wonderful today. So do you. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 37. 37. Spotlight on the UK, Australia. Families near and far. Hello, I am Sam Adams. I am from the UK. Meet my family. This is my mom, Laura, and my dad, Chris. Can you see my little sister, Patty? She's only one. Families near and far. Близкие и далекие родственники. Hello, I am Sam Adams. I am from the UK. Meet my family. This is my mom, Laura, and my dad, Chris. Can you see my little sister, Patty? She's only one. This is my grandma, and this is my grandpa. Their names are Jack and Becky. They live in Australia. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 1. Read and say yes or no. Sam is from Australia. His sister is one. Chris is his grandfather. Jack and Becky live in the UK. Прочитайте и скажите «да» или «нет». Sam is from Australia. No. His sister is one. Yes. Chris is his grandfather. No. Jack and Becky live in the UK. No. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 38. 38. Now I know. Vocabulary. Exercise number 1. Look, read and complete. Посмотрите на картинку и разгадайте слово, запишите его. Grandfather, sister, father, grandmother, brother, grammar. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2, grammar. Read and choose. Прочитайте и выберите правильное слово. This is my fish. Its name is Bubbles. Her name is Lulu. This is my father. His name is Roger. Look at our friends, Paka and Mayu. This is my grandmother. Her name is Anna. My dear friends, do exercise number 3. Read and complete is are. Прочитайте и впишите is are. It is a book. They are not ducks. Are they rubbers? This is not my school. Who is she? My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Write the plurals. Напишите слова во множественном числе. Rulers, pens, books, rubbers, pencils. Communication. Open your books, please. Page number 39. Exercise number 5. Read and match. Прочитайте и выберите правильный вариант. What's this? It's a rubber. Who's she? My big sister. What are they? They're books. Who's he? My little brother. Is it a little chimp? No, it's a teddy. Reading and writing. Exercise number 6. Look and read, then write the names in your notebooks. Посмотрите и прочитайте. Затем запишите имена в своих тетрадях. Hello, I am Frank. This is my mother and father. Their names are Linda and Tom. Judy is my big sister. And Brian is my little brother. We are a happy family. Now I can talk about my family, write about my family. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето, summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима, winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.